shoulders, spins him! Right into the cutter from Shane.
Kingdom James distracting.
And now Kobe Durst and Easy have gone down the tunnel. Oh no! Oh, the mask! The mask just nailed James Sabre.
I've heard of 2 chains, that was 1 chain.
Darkness falls. And it got 1, 2,
That's it.
3. The oppression still won.
War-Mack, smash!
Kirk. What are you doing? Sounds like you're taking a dump or something.
No, for sure. Trying to Hulk up.
Hulk up.
Yeah.
Like turn green.
Yep. Just like Alpha One, your commercial, all about the Avengers. You know I like Avengers.
Yeah.
But
Ricky Shane Payne was the Hulk.
okay, well, whatever.
Maybe
Still
next time.
pissed.
Okay.
Well,
No more anger. Calm down. Calm.
oppression. This is your
Yeah,
doing.
yeah. See? Oppression? Last show you screwed us. You screwed the Goku Brigade. You hit me in the back with a metal chain. What the hell was that? Huh? We were gonna win. Clear as day.
Yep.
Next show, Alpha One assembles. Tag team gauntlet for the belts. And, oh man, I'm hoping
Please stay in there.
you guys last as long as possible until
Because
we...
if we're in first, we're lasting the whole damn thing, and we're winning those titles.
And you are angry.
Super angry. Just want to turn Hulk green, baby, and smash them all.
Lionel, Justin, hey man, you guys better watch the hell out, because this is one pissed off War-Mack. Alright? Alpha One assembles. Not only do we kick your ass finally, we also finally become Alpha One tag team champs. And I know you like the Avengers.
Sure do.
You can't become the Hulk. I am very sorry about that. But I do have a gift. Alright? Just give me 1 second. Alright. You can be War Machine, though. War-Mack, War Machine.
Dude.
It's for you, buddy. It's for you.
You boys are in trouble.